and welcome back to our lab. Today, Jack and I are going to show you a fun science experiment. But first, there's something missing. What is it? Ah, there we go. Welcome back to our lab. Anyways, Jack and I are going to make elephant toothpaste today. Does that sound like fun, buddy?
We're gonna need a bigger toothbrush.
It's an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is when energy is released as heat. Wow.
Released as heat. That's wow. Yeah.
Kind of like that. So to make the elephant toothpaste, you're going to need one bottle. Oh, I stepped in the cat.
One bottle. Oh, stepped in the cat.
You can use a recycled water bottle, but we're just going to use a reusable one because we drink water out of the tap in this house, so we don't have those. You also need a pan and something that'll catch drippings, because you'll see why. You also need hydrogen peroxide, and this is hydrogen peroxide that's at least 6% hydrogen peroxide. The stuff you get at the grocery store is only 3%, so I had to buy this at Sally's Beauty Supply, and it'll say 20 volume on it. Apparently that means 6% hydrogen peroxide. I don't know. Food coloring, our favorite ingredient! Just a couple squirts of dish soap, as well as instant yeast, which is a catalyst in this experiment. Okay, so you're going to take 2 tablespoons of warm water and put it into something that has a spout, so we can pour it into the bottle. And you're going to mix in 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Just mixing together the yeast and water, and you just want to make sure all the little lumps are out, and then just set it aside. Hydrogen peroxide is stored into opaque bottles. That way light can't get in and it won't break down into oxygen and water. And so to speed up this process, today we're going to add a catalyst to speed up that process, and that catalyst is our yeast and water. Okay, so now you're going to put your plastic bottle in your dish, and the dish is just meant to collect what's going to happen. And you're going to pour in 1/2 cup of that peroxide, hydrogen peroxide. It's 6%. I found it at Sally's Beauty Supply for like $3. Get that in there. And now we're going to add our food coloring. We decided green. And you want 4 to 5 drops. We're going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a squirt of dish soap. Alright, so we have our mixture in the bottle, the 6% hydrogen peroxide, the dish soap, and the food coloring. And the dish soap is added to this mixture to catch the oxygen and make bigger bubbles, and then the food coloring is just to make it look cool. Alright, Jack, we're going to add our yeast mixture, and once this reaction occurs, it's completely safe for the kids to play in the mixture that comes out. Just don't let them eat it. Ready? Here we go. Into the top. With older kids, you can tell them, like, touch the bubbles, and do they feel warm? Like, why do they feel warm? And that's because it's an exothermic reaction, which means the energy is released as heat. Did you like it, Jack? Yeah, it was fun, huh? All right, so we're going to let this continue to stream out of the bottle and watch it grow and do its thing. Yeah, cool, huh? Until next time! Say bye-bye! Can you say bye-bye? Bye.
I need one bottle. Oh, stepped in the cat.